guys, it's Rocky and LVP here, and today we are headed to the old Gretna area. And in this area there are some eateries and also a farmer's market. So come along with us as we take you on our journey of Old Town Gretna.
Today we plan on getting a little bite to eat. So there's a few restaurants that we want to try. One is the River Shack.
Yes.
So we want to see about the River Shack, give them a little shout out, give them a little love. And then after we eat, we'll take a walk over to the farmer's market.
Sounds good.
We're on Huey P, so we'll be walking up and down Huey P.
Yes, so everything is located on Huey P Avenue in Gretna, down by the river. So it's very easy to find. Unfortunately, the ferry in Gretna doesn't run anymore, but you can definitely go up to the levee, take a little peek around, view the river, see downtown New Orleans once you're on the levee. So it's pretty interesting. I think you guys will find this video very enjoyable. Make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, and punch that notification button so you will always know when we have a video posted just for you. Bye!
And if you are ever in town in the New Orleans area, right across the river is the city of Gretna. And yeah, it's lovely, clean, very walkable. And if you have great weather like we did, you'll definitely enjoy lots of restaurants and a lot of history, including a very unique cemetery, which you'll be seeing in just a second. Remember folks, support local businesses. It's kind of loud in here, but good morning from Tan.
Yeah.
Tan in Gretna, Louisiana. Woo! Old Gretna, near the courthouse and near the ferry. But we're gonna also walk down to the farmer's market.
Yes.
And check out what's going on there.
Babe is taking me shopping.
Taking her shopping at a farmer's market.
Because he said the mall was out of the question.
I never said the mall was out of the question.
Well, he said the mall was out of the question.
She said the mall, and I said nothing. Yeah, so we're gonna wait until Kevin, our waiter comes, until our waiter comes to take our order. Pancakes and Vietnamese coffee and all that kind of good stuff. And then we're gonna start walking with Kevin.
Thank God. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I had the strawberry pancakes and Rock, she had the blueberry pancakes, and they look good, don't they? After we ate, we took the short 5-minute walk down to the farmer's market. Get ready, folks. There's a lot of good stuff here. Here's the farmer's market.
Does it do well sunbrew?
No.
No, you have to use it.
You need to brew it first.
Okay.
Let it sit. You can put it in the refrigerator and sweeten it however you want.
Sounds good.
So for those of you who don't know, LVP loves sesame cookies. What a great variety of treats they have at Nana's.
lemons come right from my brother's yard, so I've got the lemon poppy seed. Strawberries are from Joe Fricchetti, our own vendor here. And then I've got the little
These
lemon
are
bun cakes.
adorable, these little bun
Now my heritage is Lebanese, and these are Lebanese butter cookies. And they're $5 and $3.
Interesting.
And I'm here every week.
And what's your name again?
My name is Mary.
Mary. Nice to meet you,
and I'm
Mary.
at Little Flower Bakery.
Little Flower Bakery. Oh, look at that doggy!
Okay, you gotta tell us where you got
We know a guy in Shreveport. I'm sorry.
it. If you can, we need his number.
No,
Yeah, it was our uncle called us and was like, "Do y'all want a pug?" And we were like, "Okay." And we, but it was one of those situations.
Easiest way to do this would be, because you're not certain of the telephone number, anything where we can find us? No?
No, it was just somebody's backyard, honestly. So it was, I wish it was an official place I could send it to.
Yeah, because it's hard to find dogs. these
That's
days
what
with
we were
predators.
looking for a dog we were gonna adopt,
Yeah.
and my uncle knew that, so I guess he's always kind of doing stuff like that. Her name, she's Pinto Bean,
Pinto bean.
and she just went to the vet, so she's loving all the affection everybody's giving her.
Ebony, you can pull it off. These are nice. And if you want to see how it looks on your stove, this is the way it's supposed to look.
Very nice. These are nice. So you make these yourself?
My dad becomes a holder.
How you doing? All right.
I was thinking with the notches, this is right. These are nice.
Like, do you do furniture? Custom furniture?
Furniture and also we do refurbish. Furniture. And he's a custom holder, so we do custom homes as well. She sheds. Okay, awesome. My daughter's line.
Well, look at that.
Look at that, family living with autism. My
Yeah.
daughter has autism.
My twins also. Yeah. So, and that number you can reach us.
Okay, perfect.
Cemetery was founded in 1858, and it's a historic fireman's burial ground located on the corner of 10th and Lafayette Streets.
To like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Bye!